What's up, guys? Ivan here with getivan.com, and today I want to show you a really neat fix that I discovered for correcting an internal server error 500 after a site migration. So a little bit of backstory: I finished a long web design project. I was building the site in my Plesk server on Google Cloud. And as soon as I finished, I backed it up with I think it was all-in-one WP migration. It's a really popular backup plugin for WordPress. And as soon as I moved it to a site on DreamHost under another domain, and then when I was in the back end, I was trying to look at a bunch of different pages, and I was just getting internal server error 500 left and right. I was in an awkward spot because I didn't have access to. Let me blow this up. I didn't have access to the hosting environment, and I didn't have access to their support to talk with them about it, and I couldn't see error logs, and it's just a hassle. I had to I looked around at different plugins in WordPress repository to see if I could find something that could give me some insight to what was going on. I did a bunch of Google searches, and everyone was saying, well, it could be a plugin, it could be a theme, it could be, a glitch in the migration files or whatever. Could be all this stuff, And then I finally stumbled onto a post from the technical documentation over at Woocommerce, which suggested that it could be the PHP memory limit or the WP memory, the WordPress memory limit. Apparently they're independent from one another. And so I applied the PHP memory limit, but I didn't notice a result immediately. But when I applied the WordPress memory limit and I increased both of those values, then it immediately fixed everything. So let's take a look at the page and you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the blog post that I created. You can find it either below this video if you're on the blog, or you can find it in the description of this video, a link to this post in the description of this video on YouTube. So you can see here's how you can apply the fix to the htaccess file. So if you go to your WordPress root folder, you should be able to see your htaccess file. If you can't, then you probably need to reveal hidden file extensions. And if you do that and you still can't see it, then I guess you need to create it, but it should already exist. Pretty sure htaccess already exists in WordPress by default. So you just right click on that in your file manager and you just go to code editor, and then you just paste this somewhere in there. And so that might fix your problem, but this is what fixed the problem for me. Also in your WordPress root folder is the wp-config file. So you just right click that, go to code editor, and then above the section where it says happy blogging, you want to paste this string of code. And if you put it at the bottom of the file, it won't work. I did that at first, and then I noticed that the criteria was to put it above this line. So you want to do Control F and find where it says happy blogging, and then you just put it above that line. And as soon as I did that, I checked my site pages, and it was all fixed. So I'm really excited to share this fix because I don't ever want that to happen again. Excuse me. So that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.